So, is the tablet market dead? Well, Vankyo certainly don't think so, because just like Amazon, they're coming out with a slew of new tablets. And in this video, we're going to be checking out this one to see, is it worth your time or money? Yo, what up guys, it's Colin here from CH Gadgets, and this is the Vankyo Matrixpad Z4, which is one of Vankyo's newer 10-inch tablets that they have to offer. And I'm really curious to get this thing out of the box in order to see what it has to offer in a seemingly fleeting tablet market in 2019. But before we crack it open, here's a quick rundown of a list of the things that Vankyo say they pack inside of this thing for your enjoyment. It has a 10-inch HD display coming in at about 1280 by 800, which is also powered by an unspecified 1.5 gigahertz quad-core processor. But that's okay. As soon as we get inside, we can check it out. We can find out which one it is. It has a Mali G31 GPU, 2 gigs of RAM, and 32 gigs of internal storage. It also has an 8 megapixel rear camera, and it runs Android 9 Pie. Let me see, did I get everything? I think so. Let's crack it open and see what's up. I didn't bring my knife, but I got my trusty old pen. Let's see if that can get me inside of what it is. If you're coming to see a simple unboxing, that's not what this video is. This video is a complete unboxing and run through of what this thing is capable of. So I'm definitely gonna put it through its paces. I'm gonna do some tests, a whole lot of different tests, and see what it's up. But for now, let's see what you get inside the box. Stuff on the top. Let's see the tablet. But let's save that for last. So, accessory box. Let's see. AC adapter. Got that regular Type A, micro is working with. Okay. It's covering that ASMR material. Let's get it off. There you go. That's that 10-inch tablet. Do a little quick tour on the back. Already getting some fingerprints. It will be a little minor fingerprint magnet, but that's okay. All right, so there you got that 8 megapixel camera. Was it 8 megapixel? Yeah, I think it is. Let me check my nose. 8 megapixel camera with a little flash. Got that logo going on. The Vankyo branding right here. Got the speaker right here. I'm curious though, why is it that they got this big ass 10-inch tablet and didn't put the speakers on the front, but it put them right here on the back? We're gonna test that out and see if that makes a big difference in the overall sound. Other than that, on the top, right here, see if we can get that in focus. Yep. There you got that micro SD card slot. Got that charging port. Got a headphone jack. Got a volume rocker. And there's the power, sleep and wake multifunction button. And I'm assuming that is a microphone. Nothing on the side. Nothing on the bottom or the other side. Let's fire it up, see if we got some juice in it. Let's see what it looks like. All right, here's the welcome screen. Asking for that setup. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go set this up. I'm gonna put it through its paces. I'm gonna test everything. And then I'm gonna be right back. For you, it's just a quick second. For me, it's gonna be a couple hours. Let's go.
2,000 years later.
All right, so I'm back after a few days of playing with this thing, and basically, I'm just gonna jump straight into it and let you guys know about the performance, the screen, the battery life, and my overall experience while I was playing with this thing. So the Vankyo Matrixpad Z4 is a pretty interesting offering. And I was really hoping that they would knock this one out of the ballpark. But I have to be completely honest with you guys and let you know if this thing is worth your money, since it's currently selling for about $100. I don't know where to start. So with the Matrixpad Z4, you get a really big 10-inch display, but bigger is not always better. This thing is only 1280 by 800 resolution, but so too is my son's 8-inch Fire tablet. Now, while images and videos sometimes look slightly better on this tablet than on the Fire tablet, I still find myself enjoying watching videos on the 8-inch Fire tablet than on this 10-inch Matrixpad Z4. And here's why. And that is because Vankyo has opted to place their speakers on the back of this tablet, right here and here, even though they have these really large bezels at the front where they could actually put some front firing speakers to make things nice and stereo-like. And it doesn't really matter how loud you turn it up or how you cup your hands to channel the sound from the back to your ears. Audio just kind of suck. Just listen for yourself. I mean, you can hear the dialogue in video, but the sound is so muffled and distant that it actually irritates me while I'm watching video sometimes. So, while the display and video playback on this thing get a solid 7 from me, the speakers and audio playback get a solid 0 for delivering a frustratingly poor experience. Let me make the rest of this really short with a few pointers so that you can have enough information while making your decision. This is not the tablet for you if you're looking for something to multitask with or play some games such as Call of Duty or other type titles, or if you want a tablet to do some work while you're out of the office. The combination of processor, RAM, and graphics is just not up to the task for doing much heavy lifting. And as a result, it delivers a really less than ideal experience. It lags almost every app that I tap. It struggles to open games past the loading screen. And the speaker placement and audio performance is one of the biggest deal breakers for me with this thing when all things are considered. I don't want to seem like I'm taking a dump on the Matrixpad Z4 because it's not a complete failure. In fact, my recommendation is if you're thinking about getting this tablet instead of the Amazon Fire HD, since that is the target market that it's aiming at, and this is made for media consumption with this nice large 10-inch display. And right now, its best trick is watching videos on a large display. So here's what you need to do to make this 10-inch tablet worth your while. Get yourself a pair of headphones, wired or Bluetooth, it doesn't really matter, it's whatever you're into, along with a lot of patience because this thing lags. However, if you're not interested in making any of these compromises, then you can definitely go ahead and get any one of the Fire HD series of tablets while they're still on sale. So my closing thoughts is that the Matrixpad Z4 is by no means the worst tablet that I've ever seen. But I think if Vankyo should drop the price down to about $69, then it would make it really easy for me to recommend this one, with a few caveats that is. But until then, I'm not sure if I can recommend this one. However, I will definitely leave a list of a few better alternatives in the description just in case you want to check those out. It's your boy CH, thanks for watching, and I'm out. Peace.